Welcome to Rizal Park, more popularly known as Luneta. Rizal Park has undergone a major renovation and redevelopment through the National Parks Development Committee. Let's tour Luneta section by section, starting with the museum complex at the northeast section from Taft Avenue to Orosa Street. Prominent in the renovations are the landscape grass areas, paved walkways, and white lampposts. And the big, old, beautiful trees have been preserved. The most notable attractions in the museum complex are the National Museum of Natural History, the National Museum of Anthropology, and the Lapu-Lapu Monument. The Lapu-Lapu Monument has been relocated to guard the museum complex by the Orosa Street. There are plenty of jeepneys and calesas on Orosa Street. You can also take a food break at Jollibee by the corner with TM Calao Street. Opposite the Lapu-Lapu Monument across Orosa Street is the bust of President Diosdado Macapagal as we enter the central section of Rizal Park. The midsection is arguably the most popular part of Rizal Park, where we can see pigeons, children, joggers, and people who just want to hang out. Restored in 2011 is the floral clock. Formal and informal performances could be seen in the park's fields and in its open-air auditorium. Arranged in two rows, one on each side of the fountains, is a gallery of busts of the heroes of the country. There were several cats in Rizal Park, but I was surprised to see a special place reserved just for dogs. The beautiful Chinese garden is still there, and for now, the entrance is free. Philippine flags wave proudly to honor our heroes who had their last breaths in Bagumbayan, now known as Rizal Park, including our national hero, Jose Rizal, and his predecessors, the Gomburza priests, Padre Gomez, Padre Burgos, and Padre Zamora. Have you been to the Noli Tangere garden? It is right beside the Rizal Monument towards TM Calao Avenue. Here, you can find Rizal's original fountain, sent from Heidelberg, Germany, and also a bust of his mentor and friend, Ferdinand Blumentritt. On the other side of Rizal Monument, towards Burgos Avenue, is a life-size diorama of Rizal's Martyrdom. You can enter it by crossing the ornamental bridge near Gomburza's Obelisk monument to see this hidden gem. In the central section could be found the ever-popular dancing fountains. There is also a plaza for chess newbies and aficionados. Who knows? The next Eugene Corre and Wesley So could have played here. Next to it is the serene and lovely Japanese garden. There is also a Filipino-Korean soldier monument and a sculpture called Soul Waves. Let us now cross Roxas Boulevard as we head towards the Grandstand section of Rizal Park. Along Roxas Boulevard, we can find the Centennial Clock, the Kilometer Zero marker, Joe the Twins dancing rings, and two carabaos guarding the steps as we enter the Grandstand section of Rizal Park. Have you noticed San Lorenzo Ruiz's monument beneath a big tree as you enter Burnham Green? And there are more busts of heroes here. The Manila Ocean Park and the H2O Hotel opened behind the Grandstand in 2008 and 2010 respectively. The Manila Hotel, designed in 1909 and opened in 1912, stands across Taft Avenue. Regular gatherings here include dragon boat races, arnis practice, and ballroom dancing. Children now play at the new play garden beside the Burnham Green as the old playground along Taft Avenue was torn down. At the corner of Burgos Avenue and Roxas Boulevard stand monuments of President Cory Aquino, Ninoy Aquino, and Jaime Cardinal C. Accessible mostly from the T.M. Calao Avenue side of Rizal Park are the Visitor Center, the National Historical Commission Office, the National Parks Development Committee Office, and the National Library of the Philippines. There are sorbetes carts, food stalls, and restrooms at Rizal Park. After sunset, the lamps are turned on and the dancing fountains are adorned with colorful lights. Some former attractions are still closed for renovation, like the planetarium. Beyond the northeast side of Rizal Park is the National Museum of Fine Arts and the Manila City Hall. Wow! What a wonderful renovation, closer to the vision of Daniel Burnham in 1905 for Luneta, now Rizal Park. So why don't you pay Rizal Park a visit soon?